Are you a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show him who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. I am Mr. Clark Griswold, and if you are a first-timer, then welcome to the channel. I'm happy you guys are here. I'm happy you guys are watching and tuning in and learning to become better traders. That's what we do here in the Strat community and on the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. I also do the same thing on Twitter. You can find me there at Mr. Clark Griswold. Feel free to DM me there or comment with any questions that you might have. You can also do the same below in this video or any of my videos. When I get back to you guys, usually within the same day, I'm pretty quick with my responses and getting back to you guys. So today we are going to go through our top 5 plays for Lotto Friday on April 8th. Okay, and again, I always tell you guys this, even if you don't want to use this as a watch list, it can be a learning tool just for you guys to learn the candlesticks, the bars, what the numbers are, where to enter on a trade, where to exit on a trade, etc., etc. So I put out lots of videos for you guys all the time. Just for a refresh, I do these Lotto Fridays. I do daily picks, daily top 5s, daily watch lists, learning tools, informational videos, motivational videos, and I put stuff out on Twitter as well. So if you haven't yet, you can follow me on Twitter, and then please click that button down below, subscribe, and you hit that bell. That bell will give you the notifications for when I send these videos out. Okay, so let's get started. As I said in the other video, I played XOM today. I played it on the break of this bottom wick, and I didn't quite hit the target, and I ended up getting stopped out right around here at the top of this candle. The top of the bar, not the wick. So the top right here, I got stopped out. And that's just the nature of the game. Sometimes you win and sometimes you lose. And unfortunately, I lost on XOM today. A lot of traders won't tell you when they lose. They'll only give you their wins. So I'll let you know that I lost. I'm human just like everybody else. And we all lose trades, okay? So I'm going to play XOM tomorrow. We have an outside bar now. 1-3 pattern. So a 1 bar is an inside bar. If you guys are looking for indicators for that, you can type in candle type the Strat, okay, and it'll give you these numbers, okay? It'll give you the 2s and the 3 bars and the 1 bars, okay? If you guys need help with that type of thing. So anyways, we have a 1-3 bar. It's a rare pattern. I guess we could go back in time to see if we could even find one. So here was a 1-3. Here's another 1-3, okay? So 1-3, it went inside bar, so we had another 1-3, and then we hammered all the way up, okay? So that's what we're looking for tomorrow on this play on Lotto Friday on XOM. We're going to look for a break of the high or the low of the outside bar. So an outside bar breaks the high and the low of the previous candle. And when we play this, we're going to look for a trigger at this yellow line, which is the top of the wick, or this yellow line at the bottom of the wick. And we're going to play whichever direction it goes with options. Now, if you're using common shares, I wouldn't play to the bottom side, to the downside. I would only play to the upside, okay? Unless you know how to short stocks and you're comfortable with that, go ahead. It's not something I do. So what we have is full time frame continuity. The day, the week, the month, the quarterly, and the yearly are all green, okay? And this indicator can be found in the tab here, the indicator tab, and you can type in time frame continuity. The author is Board Rider B. Okay, so we're going to look for a break for the high or the low of this outside bar. And then for our targets, guys, our targets are very simple. Okay, we take the next preceding wick, or the I guess the next preceding wick. So the top of this wick and the top of this wick. We're not taking this one, obviously, or this one. It's the next highest wick in the line if we go back. Okay, so same thing if we go down below. If we trigger to the downside, it's the preceding wick. It's the preceding wick. it's the preceding wick here, and then the preceding wick here. We're not taking these ones that are in between. It's the next lowest, and then again, the next lowest, etc., etc., okay? So that's how we play our targets, and I will caution you guys, a lot of times when you hit the target, the thing reverses, so make sure you guys are taking profits, okay? I don't want you guys to be stung with losses. So make sure if you hit those targets that you are taking, if you only have a couple contracts, take your profit. If you have, say, 10 contracts, well, you can sell half or sell 75% or however you want to work it and leave a couple runners on. Okay? So that's ExxonMobil Corporation. We'll be looking at that one tomorrow. Etsy is up next, ETSY. So Etsy has another, again, it's an outside bar, and the time frame is to the downside. Okay, so then we're going to look for targets, and you've got 2 right here on this blue line. So that's the monthly target. So realistically, if we hit targets, well, we've just put the monthly swing into force, okay? So if we go check out the monthly real quick, this is the current month. This is what we're looking to break for a reversal, as we had a 2 up and it finished red. Okay, so we're looking for a reversal to the downside. And like I said, if we trigger on this yellow line and we hit our first target, well, we've just put the monthly into force. So you can look at a monthly swing for that play if you'd like. Okay, simple enough. If you guys don't understand, ask me a question. If you do understand everything, take some time now, just give me a thumbs up, let me know you know what you're looking at, or you can comment down below, either or. And if you think the video sucks, well, fair enough, give me a thumbs down and let me know why, so I can help improve the videos for you guys, okay? So next on the list, we've got Moderna. Moderna has an inside bar, and an inside bar does not break the high or the low of the previous candle. Okay, so it stays within that previous candle, and it's tightening its range, and it's consolidating. It's getting tighter and tighter, and getting squished, and it's getting ready to explode. And that's why I really like inside bars, because they usually tend to explode one direction or the other. And we can just go back and look. This one exploded to the upside. This one, explosion to the upside. This one, we trended up, hit targets, and then unfortunately came back down. Inside bar exploded to the upside. So the majority of times, these inside bars will produce really, really good gains on the next candle, okay? And that's why I really like playing them. So we can look for Moderna to go long on this one at 159.80 once we pass the trigger, or we can look to short this thing with puts at 151.39. I really like Moderna for tomorrow, so it's one I will definitely be watching. Next up is Micron Technology. So another inside bar on Micron. I like that we have full time frame continuity to the downside. It's telling us that it's probable that this trade continues down, but it's also possible that we continue up. The stock market is unpredictable, but we don't play this until it hits our triggers, okay? So we can take this one short at 72.09. We can take puts at 74.73. And again, I can't remember if I talked to you guys about this already, but when I take strike prices on these things, when I'm jumping in, I don't think I did. So when I'm jumping in, so for example, if we go to the upside on Micron, the price is at 74.73. So my strike is going to be at 75 bucks, okay? So I'm just outside the money. And my expiry date, I'm taking the next closest, which is going to be Friday. A lot of people will take the following strike just because the price doesn't move as much. So if it reverses on you, you don't lose as much. But I don't mind the risk. I'm comfortable playing with that. If you guys aren't, then get one extra date out. So take the second expiry date out for yourselves, okay? And the last one we're going to go through here is Keurig Dr. Pepper. That's KDP. Has another inside bar, okay? So got a big hammer on it. Time frame outside of the year is all to the downside. So we can look for puts on this one at 37.29. calls at 37.86. Guys, I'll give you one more here. XEL, okay? Bonus play, inside bar, XEL. Calls at 75, puts at 73.91. Guys, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Please show me your appreciation. Subscribe if you haven't. Follow me on Twitter if you haven't. And if you thought the video was terrible, then fair enough. Give me a thumbs down. I don't mind. I'm open to criticism. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Good luck trading on Friday. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your evening, your morning, whenever you're listening to this. And we will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.